Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri, and today we are going to make a chicken salad. It's a little bit different than the chicken salad that we serve here at the restaurant. I got this idea because I saw a recipe for Georgia cracker salad. I think that was the name of it, Georgia cracker salad. It had tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and then you crumbled up saltine crackers and you put it in there. And I was going to make that, but then I decided that I didn't think it would last long because the crackers were going to get soggy. And so I made it, I kind of tweaked it a little bit, threw some chicken in it, and this is what we came up with. So everybody seemed to love it, so I'm gonna make it for you guys, and I think you guys are gonna like it. It's really refreshing for summertime, so here we go. I'm gonna use this one humongous tomato. So if you don't have a tomato that big, I would use a couple of tomatoes. So I'm just gonna dice this up. Now we're gonna take a few of these little tiny cucumbers. I call these burpless cucumbers. I have no idea why I call them that. I think that somebody told me that was the name of them one time, and that's what I've been calling them ever since. So I'm just going to quarter these just like this and make the pieces pretty small. That looks good, about 3 of those. I'm going to chop up a couple of these little shallots. I like onions, so I'm going to do 2 of these. You don't have to do that much, or you could do more, whatever you like. There we go. I'm going to do 3 boiled eggs, and to make your life easier, they do sell eggs already boiled and peeled at the grocery store. All right? So, if you don't have time to boil any eggs, you can find these right over by the eggs. They're right beside the eggs. Well, at my grocery store they are. So I'm going to take this little rack, and I'm just going to pop these right through the hole there, just like that, and then it'll make it nice and uniform and make some little squares of boiled egg, just like that. Perfect. Let's salt and pepper this. A good teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. The Georgia cracker salad has these things in it with some mayo and I think some sour cream. I'm not real positive. I can't remember everything, but we kind of made up our own sauce. So we're gonna make this sauce to go in here, and what we're gonna use is some mayo, Duke's mayo. I'm gonna do about a half a cup. I'm going to use this Mexican cream. I love this, crema mexicana. You can get this right over in the cheese section at your grocery store. You can use sour cream if you don't have this, but I love this stuff. It's just a tiny bit runny, but it is so good. So we're going to do about a half a cup of that as well. Here's the star of the show, the Kinder's garlic Parmesan seasoning, all right? So you should be able to find Kinder's. It's very popular. This is the garlic Parmesan. If you can't find this, then just improvise. Use a little garlic, a little bit of parsley. I mean, this has just a little bit of everything in it. I'm trying to, let me find my glasses. I don't know where I put them. There they are. All right, this has a little bit of everything in it. You could use lemon pepper with Parmesan. You could use garlic powder. You could put some tahini in it, a little Tony's, whatever sounds good to you if you cannot find this. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this into my little mixture here. There we go. Do the juice of half of a lemon. Now take the other half and go squeeze it down your drain, or save it for something else. All right, let's give this a good mix. Pour this on. Some fresh shredded Parmesan cheese, about a cup. If you like a lot of Parmesan, a cup would be good. If not, do about a half a cup, a quarter cup. And then I boiled these. Now you can use rotisserie chicken if you want to do that. That would be easier, but I could not find any rotisserie chicken. So I just went ahead and boiled 3 chicken breasts. So I'm just going to chop these up. I boiled these on low for a little bit. So I'm just going to chop these up. All right, let's add this in. Okay, let's give it a really good mix. And the longer it sets, of course, the better it's going to be. We made this the other day and everybody tore it up. They loved it. I even had somebody tell me this was the best chicken salad that they ever had. So there's that. So let's give it a good stir, and then we're gonna give it a try. Y'all, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. This is a great summer salad. All right, so the original recipe didn't have chicken in it, didn't have Parmesan in it, didn't have probably a lot of the things I just put in there, but I think this is gonna be good. So I served it the other day I served it with these saltine crackers, and then I also rolled some of them in some tortillas, and then also put them in a croissant. And every way we tried it was delicious. So I think you guys are gonna like it. So I want you to go and give it a try. It is so beautiful, so cool and refreshing. Look at that. That is so good. You're gonna love this. Gall dang, that's good. You guys remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today, and have a fantastic day. We'll see ya.